This is Ben from Testiv, and we're looking at an SAT question about exponents and equivalent expressions. So if this question asks us to find the equivalent expression to the one shown here, okay? And we can see it's a whole bunch of exponents. So this problem is really just testing you on your knowledge of combining exponents, okay? So 2 rules of combining exponents to go over really quick. Let's start with x squared. X squared is equal to x times x. That's what it means to have an exponent, right? We're just multiplying the thing by itself that many times. That means that x squared times x to the third is equal to x times x times x times x times x. So that equals x times x times x times x times x. So we are adding together the 2 and the 3 to get x to the 5th. So if we are multiplying these bases together, we add the exponents. If we have x squared all to the third, then that is equal to x times x all to the third. So it's going to be x times x times x times x times x times x, which is 6. So we're actually multiplying the 2 and the 3 together to get x to the 6th. So when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, we multiply the exponents together. When we have exponents of the same base multiplied by each other, we add the exponents. Okay? This is just a handy cheat sheet. You should know this going into the test. Make sure you remember those 2 rules. So now we just have, so now that leaves us with just simple distribution. Okay? So we have 3a to the third b to the negative 4th squared times 2a to the 4th b to the negative 2. That's another reminder. X to the negative 2 is equal to 1 over x squared. That's your final thing. If you raise something to a negative power, it puts it in the denominator. Okay? So that means let's just distribute this 2 through, and we get, let's see, we get 3 squared is 9a to the 6th. So we're multiplying our exponents. B to the negative 8 times 2a to the 4th b to the negative 2. Now we can multiply the coefficients. We get 18. We have exponents of the same base, a, so that's going to be a to the 10 because it's 6 plus 4 times b to the negative 10, negative 8 plus negative 2, using this rule here. Well, that is going to equal 18a to the 10th over b to the 10th because of this final rule here where a negative exponent goes in the denominator. And that answer choice is right here.